we oftenly think that why space exploration is important, and usually scientists are really excited about that, but normal people are not, and even some scientists are not, and usually some professor and teacher are really don't care about, even they are the professor of mathematics and physics. But I tell you how and why space exploration is important. See, we as a all life in the sense all living species are evolving we take some time to evolve, and we are evolving it regularly. Okay, just I'm just here talk about only human beings. Okay, let's take, so we human beings are evolving at certain rate. Okay, but we evolve maximum when we focus on nature and when we focus on space exploration. Like there was a time when humans are living in badly, not as well as we are living in right now. So people are living like that, and then there are some people which are not as interesting as about Earth as much as they are interesting about the night sky, the stars, the moons, and the galaxy, and our invent telescope so he can see what is the outer the Earth. And there are many people like that. Like Faraday was discovering at that point magnetic and electric field. He was too interesting in that. And come to the Hubble. When he was seeing the stars, moon in the sky, and when he found that, so we jump extremely high. We see galaxy, we just extremely high, and we evolve kind of overnight. Overnight is we not here some days or months or whatever, but we evolve because when we are exposed to something very bigger than ourselves, so we become exposed, we evolve, because see, we see something, so we want to know more and more about that. So because we want to know about that, we become, so we can't know everything just immediately, so we become creative about that. We write poetry, we write poem, or we imagine, or we express our imagination whatever the way we want, and we try to study, we want to magnify our telescope so we can see more and more what is clear, and that, so many inventor come and they magnify the magnification of the telescope. So we evolve at much more rapidly when we involve in space exploration, like Newton, and when he discovered about gravity and he gave the law of gravity, and like Einstein gave the law of relativity and special relativity, and these are the principles which are applying on rockets which are going on space. See how even people think that space exploration is not important, they think, but I am saying that even we don't do space exploration, we evolve. But when we are involved in space exploration, we evolve too rapidly. See, someone see the galaxy. So before that, maximum human beings are in the survival, thinking that only think about earthly problem and earthly solution, and they are just involved in earthly life. And when someone see that there are stars in the sky which are far more than we can see, with our eyes and with our naked eyes. So when he saw that in the galaxy sky, so our vision is go beyond from down to we become top. You understanding that? We become there. So we are interested about that. So we starting thinking more and more about what will be there, how can we reach there. So we invent everything which we go out of the earth, like mission moon happen and human go on moon. So I am just saying that space exploration is important because when we are interested in space exploration, when we are involved in space exploration, then we evolve at too much faster level at human species, especially human species. All the life grows, but at the human species, our thinking and our understanding of universe and understanding of ourselves and significance of human in universe, we become more and more evolved at that level. And any major task we are doing, we can't do it alone. So when we do space exploration, we connect to people from all over the world. So humanity come and do something good. It is very beautiful thing. So space exploration is a thing which bring humanity closer and they want something pure. And more than that, space exploration is that we evolve at much faster rate when we involve in space exploration. That is a beauty. And sometimes even like Newton discovered gravity, sometimes we and Einstein discover relativity and special relativity, but sometimes we don't see how it will affect our future. We don't see sometimes at that particular time when they invent it, when they discover it. But after some year we realize and we see that they are the use, like quantum physics discovered in 90s, but after some time, after many years, we now we in this stage of life, we are doing our maximum information, we are sending from one place to another, they are going through quantum computing and are running beautiful in this world. So sometimes we don't see what will be the best outcome of that which are we are inventing, which are discovering, and which we are working on. But it is future is bright and future is great. So I am just saying that space exploration, when we involve in the space exploration, we think broader. We think stars, we think galaxy, we think broader, and we involve in bigger things, and we evolve at the faster rate as life, as humanity. So space exploration is too important to evolve in every dimension of life, mental, emotional, psychology, in every dimension of life. Space exploration is too important to evolve at human life.